Hello guys, and welcome back to Ready Set Viral. Today we're going to be talking about the best ways to sneak candy into school. But before we begin with today's video, I want you to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notifications. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. So without further ado, let's jump in. All of us used to have at least a little bit of a sweet tooth when we were younger, didn't we? Well, we're guessing that it never changes no matter what year we're in. Because it's kind of obvious that even in those times, children also like sugar very much. And that's why they're devastated when they find out sometimes eating sugar in schools is completely forbidden. So when your child comes back to the house crying about how the teacher took their favorite sweet snack, don't panic. Just comfort them by saying that such a situation will never happen again. But not because of the fact that they'll have to stop bringing sweets to school at all. Just try one of our hacks on how to sneak said sweets to school without being noticed. One of the ideas you could use is to make your candy look like a bookmark. It's incredibly easy. All you need to do is make a little hole in the end of it and add some fringe. And now you can eat your favorite jelly without being noticed. But don't forget, don't eat the fringe. Do you prefer chocolate over jelly? Don't worry, we also have a solution for that. Just use a watercolor palette and get rid of the paint. In that places, you can put chocolate. But for this hack to work, they have to be different colors just like the paint. Another way, it would be just suspicious, and we don't want that. So choose the ones with some colorful icing. Talking about chocolate, if your child's a fan of Kinder chocolate bars, then you can easily put them in some crayon packages. To cover up them completely, just print some pictures of crayons that are usually in those sorts of boxes and slide it in. The teacher won't notice anything. Going back to jelly, they can easily be disguised as rubber gum. Not only them, but also marshmallows. You don't even have to do anything with them. Just pretend you're erasing something with it, and when the teacher's not watching, eat them. It would be better if one day you'll bring them to the same ones so they wouldn't notice any suspicious things. But the next day they'll forget about your rubber, so you won't bring any other kinds of jellies or marshmallows. Have you noticed that Nutella's stick snack is perfect to fit in a pencil holder? Well, now you know. So what are you waiting for? Just put it in there, and in the other half, that will be empty, put pencils to cover the snack. Easy! Pencil holders are a very helpful thing. Not only can you fit the snack we talked about before, but you can also put some Starbucks coffee in there for your older child. But don't forget to cover it with pencils too. You will observe that your child is going to be much happier when they come home. We're sure of that. So not only will they not have any problems with teachers, but they will also focus on their lessons. After all, it's easier to focus when you have more energy, right? And as we all know, sugar brings a lot of energy. So, you should expect straight A's from your child from now on. And if they don't have them, why won't you try sneaking more sweets? Perhaps that would help. Have you guys ever used any of these hacks? Please let us know down in the comments below. But that's all we have for you guys today. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments down below. But that's all we have. If you enjoyed it, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button, as well as turning post notifications on. That way you never miss out on a single video from us in the future. And also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen, because you'll love them just as much. And we'll see you guys next time in a brand new video.